The theme actually we are sharing this year comes from the heart of the Armenian church's own story. Armenia was the first nation to adopt Christianity officially in the year of 301. Through centuries of persecution and genocide, our people have remained faithful to Christ and created a strong Christian legacy. The late Catholicos of all Armenians, Karagin I, once said, "Unity is not merely an ideal, but it is the vocation of the Church, the reflection of the unity of the Holy Trinity in human life." For us, Christian unity is not an abstract concept, but a lived reality. It is about survival, hope, and common witness. And these ideas have maybe inspired us to lead to this stage for the week of prayer for Christian unity. We want to offer this to the world as our testimony. Even when history divides us, the cross of Christ unites us. Unity is not uniformity, but it is a harmony of diversity grounded in love and prayer.